Right, today I'm reviewing Turbocharge, the driving game for the Commodore 64. Have a little look at the introduction first. So this is the introduction. The music's fantastic as you can listen. I love this music. Makes well good use of the Commodore 64 sound processor. 1991 by System 3. United Nations Satellite 1019 Earth's orbit. This is the introduction for the game. Disturbance in sector 03218 enhanced. UN military stockpile. Warning, hostiles in area. Enemy vehicles escaping with UN missile stock. Alert UN interception squad, call name just in time, British Consul, Holder. So as you can see, we get into our car. British Consul, garage and Holder, agents Ajuka and Dugusas prepare to intercept the Iraqi terrorist community. Nice introduction right there. And there we get it. As you can see, this is Turbocharge. Now basically, it's a driving simulator, driving game, and if you look on the bottom right, it says border 7 miles. That's how far you've got to go. You've got turbo by pressing the space bar. Now, ouch! You can actually shoot as well. And if you hold down the fire button, shoot missiles. As you can see. So we drive along. As you see, the graphics are very beautiful, very nice indeed. Typical format that a lot of Commodore 64 games have in racing games. Collect things like fuel, and you've got to watch out for mines and stuff as well. You got highly reviewed in the magazines, if I remember correctly, back in the day. The music's very good. It does get very difficult. Check for the lorries. Ouch! As you see, I'm low on fuel. Oh, just got some fuel, but I'm still low. Oh, you bitch. See, everything's out to get you. Come on, the border's only there. Come on, you can make it. Ooh. Did I make it? No, I didn't. Let's try that again, shall we? Thing is, when you use your turbo, it uses a lot of fuel. Again. What you've actually got to try and do is you've got to try and avoid the border. So you've obviously got to go left instead of right at that junction. So I'll try left this time. I think that's what you've got to do anyway, if I remember. I used to have this game as a kid, but it was a long time ago. So we keep going. Where to feel, man? As you see, it's not exactly easy. This time I'm not going to bother with the bloody turbos, they take so much fuel. This game's made by System 3, same people who made Dreambar's Quest, another fantastic game on the Commodore 64. Watch out. Yee-hoo! Watch out for him. He's quite a nasty piece of work. You can use missiles on the rollies because that destroys them in one. Missed my fuel there. Got left this time. Well, that was good. We'll go right then. That's the lowest ramming me after that. Have some of that. Done it. Excellent. You get your fuel replenished. So we get a nice little screen here. Border smashed. Continue. Shoot. Nicely drawn. Level 2. Principles still apply. Scary tanks on the side of the road on this level. Massive trucks. Massive cactuses. Check for the cones. It says on the bottom right, cones ahead. It's like his status there. Oh, I missed my fuel. It's quite easy to miss your fuel on this. I've got no missiles left. Oh shit. Trouble is you can't reverse, so when you get into that situation you've got no choice but to kill yourself. Good job it ain't like that in real life. Got no missiles. Got some of that. Keep missing my fuel, man. Anyway, this is turbocharge on the Commodore 64. I'm going to give turbocharge Commodore 64 a 9 out of 10, which is very, very good. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.